Introduction to automated email marketing.
Automated email marketing platforms, such as MailChimp and ActiveCampaign, help businesses reach their audience efficiently. These tools save time by sending relevant emails at the right moments, handling everything from newsletters to targeted promotions. With automation, companies can maintain consistent communication, nurture leads, and drive sales without constant manual effort.
How do automation tools work?
Automation tools use rules and workflows to trigger emails based on specific actions or schedules. For example, when a user signs up, the system sends a welcome email automatically. Marketers can create sequences that send follow-ups, reminders, or offers, depending on how recipients interact with previous emails or links, making campaigns highly responsive.
Audience segmentation and personalization.
One of the biggest strengths of these platforms is audience segmentation. Users are grouped by interests, behaviors, or demographics. Marketers can then tailor messages to each group, increasing engagement. Personalization features automatically insert names or customized content and send emails at times proven to maximize response rates.
Analyzing data and measuring success.
Automated tools provide detailed analytics showing how many recipients opened, clicked, or ignored an email. Marketers use these insights to refine future messages and improve results. Reports highlight the best-performing campaigns, helping businesses adjust strategies to better connect with subscribers and boost conversions.
Benefits and effort savings.
Automated email marketing dramatically reduces manual workload. Once workflows are set up, emails continue to deliver value and nurture customer relationships without daily management. This approach saves time, reduces errors, and allows businesses to scale their outreach to thousands or even millions of contacts with minimal ongoing effort.